Holy crap. I gotta get some glasses. I gotta get some glasses. Holy crap. Oh my god. Whew. That's just the first one. Nice. Very nice. Better not pick my nose for the next 2 days. Nice, pretty tray of some of the world's spiciest peppers. Nice little face. So happy. So happy. So happy you cry. So happy even you cried 2 times. Because the spiciest pepper is going to be inside of him. Very soon he will be one with the pepper. Good. Good. Make sure they're all evenly spaced. They're all touching the bottom there. Perfect. Can you see? Go. And that's gonna go in the oven for about 20 minutes. What do you say, little cat? Oh, that's right, you're deaf. You can't hear me. Oh, it's so happy. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, and then garlics. That garlic's doing real nice. Oh man, that smells so good. Alright. So, here is the hot sauce. It's not too bad. Had some earlier last night. Let it sit in the fridge just to kind of relax, let all the flavors mingle. But it's very good. Very chunky. That's how I like it though. I like my hot sauce thick. So we're gonna put some of this ghost pepper, roasted ghost pepper hot sauce on this bowl of rice right here. I don't have any fried chicken or anything else to put it on. I just have rice, but I like spicy rice too. We're just gonna mix some of that up. Oh, it's so good. It smells like buffalo sauce almost. That's pretty good. So we'll close this so the flies don't get in. It's pretty good. Little size right there. Alright. Mix it up. Bone apple tea. Mmm. 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 It's hot. Mmm. Mmm. It's so hot. Ooh. Ah. Mmm. It's good. It's almost like a flowery taste. Like fresh flowers. Slightly sweet, but that spice gets you. Oh, I gotta eat some rice. Ooh. And the apple cider vinegar. That's a good touch. Adds a nice little fruity note to it. And the carrots are a nice medium, so everything's just really sweet, really spicy. But it doesn't last that long. It's not like a habanero. Those things, oh my god, whenever I get more habaneros, I gotta make a hot sauce out of that one. This is pretty good. I put this on chicken every day. Ooh, let's go with rice too. Alright, I'm gonna go die now. If you like this recipe, subscribe. I'll make more. I just got some eggplants coming in, so that'll be a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm gonna go pee, and I'm gonna drink a lot of milk. So, peace.